Good morning, guys. It's model answer for measure time intervals, lesson 10.3, page 197. In number 1, find the elapsed time. Look, 2, he starts at 6:45 and he ends at 6:54. So I can skip counting on the clock or I can subtract 54 minus 45. 4 minus 5, I can do it. 5 will be 4 and 4 will be 14. So 14 minus 5 equals 9 and 4 minus 4 equals 0. So it's 9 minutes. And here guys, it starts at 3 and ends at 3:37. Wow, it's easy. So I have zeros. So I have 37 minus 0 equals 37. Okay, it starts at 10:05 and ends at 10:21. Actually, I can use the number line. He skipped counting by 5, then 10, then 1. So 5 plus 10, 15, plus 1, 16. And here he starts at 7:30 and ends at 7:53. So I'm gonna say 53 minus 30. 3 minus 0 equals 3 and 5 minus 3 equals 2. So it's 23 minutes. Now starts at 5:20 a.m. and ends at 5:47. So I'm gonna say 47 minus 20 equals 7 minus 0 equals 7. 4 minus 2 equals 2. So my answer is 27. Now, number 7, a show at the museum starts at 7:40, starts and ends at 7:57 p.m. How long is the show? Okay, it lasts for how many minutes? It starts at 7:40 and ends at 7:57. So I'm gonna say 57 minus 40. Why I'm gonna ignore the hours and I'm only gonna subtract the minutes? Because I have the same hour, guys, 7 and 7. So I'm gonna ignore it. Now 7 minus 0 equals 7 and 5 minus 4 equals 1. So it's 17 minutes. Now number 8, the first train leaves the station at 6:15. They leave the station at 6:15 guys a.m. The second train leaves the station at 6:55 a.m. How much later the second train leaves the station? It left the station after the first train with how many minutes? So I'm gonna say 55 minus 15. 5 minus 5 equals 0 and 5 minus 1 equals 4. So 40 minutes. So the second train leaves the station after the first train left 40 minutes. Okay, 40 minutes later after the first train, the second train left the station. Okay guys, we'll move on to the second page. Marcos began playing basketball at 3:30 p.m. and stopped playing at 3:55 p.m. For how many minutes did he play basketball? So I'm gonna say 55. He ended up playing at 55 and he starts at 30. So 5 minus 0 equals 5 and 5 minus 3 equals 2. So he played for 25 minutes. Now the school play started at 8:15 p.m. and ended at 8:56 p.m. How long would the school play? It's easy, so I'm gonna say 56 minus 15. 6 minus 5 equals 1 and 5 minus 1 equals 4. So it lasts 41 minutes. Now number 3, each car has 4 wheels. How many wheels will 7 cars have? So 7 times 4 equals what? Equals 28. Which number completes the equation? Okay, 3 times what give me 27? 27 divided 3 equals? Yes, 9. Number 5, there are 20 napkins in each package. Kelly brought 8 packages for her party. How many napkins did Kelly buy in all? So I'm gonna say 20 times 8. Multiply sign is a monster, scares the zeros away, so I'm gonna put the 0 first. Now 8 times 2 equals 16, so my answer is 160. Now, Mr. Martin drove 290 miles last week. This week he drove 125 miles more than last week. Oh, more than last week. How many miles did Mr. Martin drive this week? So I'm gonna say 290 plus 125. Now, guys, 5 minus 0, plus 0 equals 5, and 9 plus 2 equals 11, 1 and carry up 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. So my answer is 415. That's it, guys. See you soon. Bye.